Hello and welcome to the Yoast SEO tutorial brought to you by Unidad22, which is a web design company in Costa Rica. I will be giving you a really quick demonstration of what the Yoast SEO plugin is. I'm not going to get into too much of the advanced features of Yoast SEO. Basically, I'm just going to show you what you can do for your web pages to ensure that they are search engine optimized. So this is just going to go over how to download Yoast and a few of the things you can do on your pages. So the first thing you want to do is download Yoast. I've already downloaded it for this demo account, but what you want to do is type in Yoast here. You'll find it right here. It's got this little traffic light with the Y. Click the Install Now button. As soon as that's done, you'll see an activate, and that will activate the plugin so it's linked to all your pages. So once you've done that, let's say you want to go to one of your pages to work on. This is based off one of the blogs that I've done for Unidad22, which talks about the Yoast SEO plugin itself, which I am going to include down in the description of this YouTube video. So once this is downloaded, you can see right down here where the plugin is active. So what you've got here is the snippet preview, focus keywords, and the analysis of your content. Basically, the idea is it works on a very simple and easy to use traffic light system. As you can see here, the SEO says not available, but if it's red, that means it's not ready to go. Orange meaning it's not bad, but it's not good either, so you might want to change a few things. And then finally green meaning it's good to go. Obviously there's a lot more you can do to optimize your site, but the idea is that you want all your web pages to be green. So first thing you want to do is take a look down here and take a look at the snippet, and you might want to edit this first. Okay, so what's happening is this is how the snippet will look in those search engines. So it says here Yoast SEO demo, and it's just going to take this from the top paragraph here. So why don't we change this first? So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to change the title. So let's change this to Yoast SEO. Make sure that within the search engine title, it has to match to the title of the page. The title of the page here is Yoast SEO, and I'm going to just put this. You may want to add a bit more, but remember it's all about having those search engines recognize the titles, which will be at the top of the page. So slug Yoast SEO, that's fine. Down here you've got the meta description, and this is going to be how it is described in that we snip it underneath the link for search engines. So what I'm going to write here is today we look at this awesome plugin for search engine optimization. Yoast SEO. Click here for more valuable information. Okay, similar to, because remember everything is based on a traffic light system, down here you're going to see red, orange, and green. And what the idea is, you want to get that in the green. The green means it's a nice, good length meta description. So once that's done, I've got the SEO title. This is an orange. It should be a little bit more. Let's put Yoast SEO demonstration. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about that, but remember you want this in the green as well. That's just saying that this is a good length title and a good length description. Now the idea is you also need a focus keyword. They say one, but you can add a few more keywords if you really want to. So I'm just going to put in here Yoast, maybe Yoast SEO, make sure it matches with the title. Okay, now as you can see here, this has changed. So this says good, which means that it should be fairly good for search engines, but there's still, as you can see in the analysis, a few things we can do. So let's take a look at one of these. It says here, no images appear on this page, consider adding some as appropriate. So why don't we add an image? I'm just going to put set featured image. You can obviously add an image up here by doing add media, but I'm going to put an image in here, which will be a featured image for the website. It doesn't really matter what you do, but make sure obviously it's relevant to the content. So, but because this is just a demonstration, I'm going to put this wonderful person on a horse. So that's a set featured image. Okay, so now we've got a featured image, and that has disappeared from the analysis. So let's see, the images on this page, you don't have the alt attributes containing the focus keyword. So why don't we edit this image? Let's put in here Yoast SEO. Okay, now it has the focus keywords. So this is actually looking pretty good because we have it contains around 600 words, recommended minimum being 300 for any web page. Focus keyword appears in the URL of this page, which is good. Never used this focus keyword before, so on and so forth. You can have a little read through this analysis, but let's take a look here. The page title is too short. Use spaces to add keyword variations, so that is this title up here. So you might want to consider making this just a bit bigger, and that's simply for those search engines so they can take out the keywords from there. If it's too short, then it's going to be competing with a lot of things. And then we've got things like no internal links appear on this page, consider adding something appropriate. Obviously this is just a demo account, so it doesn't really matter, but just take a look at the things through here and make sure that this is good. Try and make this good as well. I don't know why, but for whatever reason it says for here it needs some improvement, but obviously that can say something like okay, readability is bad, like this, or it's okay, which is going to be orange, or good, which is good. Once these two things are good, then this is good to go, and what you want to do is publish or save draft. So that is basically how the Yoast SEO works. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any inquiries, or if you do have any web design needs, then please head over to Unidad22.com, which I will also include down in the description below. Okay, thank you very much.